Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're gonna do a couple quick mods on the M3. Basically, we're gonna do little cosmetic things. First off, here we got the ashtray, carbon fiber, plastic, and we got the cup holder, which we're gonna do, which I think is pretty easy. So we got the cup holder, ashtray with the coin thing there, and we're also going to be doing the emblems. We got some black M3 emblems. We're going to replace the factory ones that are faded. I'm going to save these though because I think this is just a sticker. We'll see, but let's get it going. Let's get a cold start going. Alright, so we're in the car now. What we're gonna do is just move this out the way. I need to replace this. This is totally done. We're gonna get this out. It just pops out. I'll put the old tray to the side, and we got a pen in there. Probably clean this up, but for now, just gonna set this down, and then this is gonna go in here also. Which way does it go? Coin to the back, I think. Maybe get this one in first. Go in there like that. Okay. And then get your coin. And then we got our cup holders. Basically just pops on. There you go. Simple. Clean this up. I know the interior here needs a cleaning. Maybe get this in carbon fiber. Need a new radio. You can see our factory nav screen is just cracked up and broken, and my dash is the screen down there, you could barely see it, but that's about it. So this here, we need to replace this whole armrest. It's just falling off and broken. I'll get a new one of those. But that's how the ashtray, I mean the cup holder, coin thing looks. It's not bad. Cleans it up a little bit. I'll probably save these, put them somewhere, just to hold on to the factory BMW stuff, made in Germany. So I'll hold on to that. Just leave this on here for now. Looks pretty clean. Unfortunately, it's the cleanest part inside the car. So let's back the car in and work on the symbol now. Maybe we should replace this here. We'll see. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do, swap out the M3 with the black M3. Just get a fishing line or something. Just kind of go behind, and I'm gonna play with this because it's just glued in. There goes the 3. Now we need to do that to the M symbol here. Comes right off. So we got that off. Now we're gonna clean this up a little bit. Use some water. Just kind of clean this up a little. We want to try to get as much of this glue stuff off to put our new emblem on. So just kind of scrape it off. little plastic toolkit, good for scraping. You can see it pulls it off without scratching the paint.
Does a good job. Doesn't scratch the paint, and it peels this plastic, this rubber foam stuff right off.
This is a pretty cool tool because it doesn't scratch the paint and you can get all this stuff off. This is a tool that came with the toolkit for removing the clips and stuff on the car. So this works out pretty good. Try to get it smooth so when you put the new emblem on, it gets as much contact with the car as possible and you don't lose the emblem. I want to leave a little bit outline here because I want to be able to match it up perfectly. So that's why I'm not going completely off, but I'm trying to get it nice and smooth. All right. That's smooth enough. Like I said, I want to leave this little outline so I can see exactly where to put the 3 and the M emblems. So I think this is good enough. Just take off a little more, but that should be good. It's nice and smooth. There we go. Get one last cleaning. I'm using alcohol and water just to get it nice and clean and prepped for the glue. Alright, now that it's nice and dry, we'll put the 3 on first. See, we went with the black M3. Kind of matched the theme of the car of going black with everything. I'm gonna take the 3 off, and this comes with a self-sticking adhesive there, so we're gonna put that right over the 3 that was there. That looks good. Push that down. Just hold that. Hold it for about 30 seconds. Alright. Now we put down the M. Make again, we're gonna put it down right on the previous thing. And I think we need to come up just a little more. Trying to match it perfect. That looks about right. Right there. I'm gonna stick that on. Hold that. 30 seconds. Alright, so there we go. Got the emblem on. So you can see M3 is lined up. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it looks pretty good lined up. Perfect. We're all set. Alright, well that's it for today's video. It's a quick short video between the emblem and the cup holder, carbon fiber, and the coin tray. So like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.